Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge was announced 2 days ago, and the price has come out is ridiculous. That was not the only announcement that was stuck. Tucked into it in the bottom of the Korean press release is a note that Samsung is launching a limited edition Galaxy Ring in two-tone titanium black color. This will be sold alongside the Galaxy S25 Edge at the Samsung Gangnam flagship store starting yesterday. To be clear, you can buy the ring on its own, but if you get it with the S25 Edge plus two-tone ring combination, you can score a 20% discount on the ring itself, and it is at Korean won 100,000 in Samsung Electronics membership points. Samsung announced the new colorway for the Galaxy Ring but did not provide any images of it. So you can see the images of the ring in titanium silver and titanium black color. The two-tone version should be a mixture of two. This might be the only chance to see the two-tone version. The press release of other countries have not made any mention of the new version. It's not clear how many rings have been made earlier. Despite some reports saying that Galaxy Ring 2 will launch early, there is no official news of that yet. So you can keep an eye out for during the July launch event of the Galaxy Z Fold and the Z Flip.